Hello, I'm Sean, and today I just want to give a quick tutorial on a thing that I read, but I didn't find so much video about it. So I will try to be super fast. So I will just basically follow this page. So nothing fancy on it. So the first thing is that you want basically a FAUST patch. And this is an example of a patch. I did another example of a patch of basically a two operator FM synth. Okay, I just put some parameters on it. And the magic is that you want the frequency and the gate to be button and slider. So basically this will be the name of the commands that we will send with the Teensy through the Arduino ID. And the other thing that you want is, of course, the Arduino ID with all the libraries installed for the Teensy. So basically, you do your own patch, and then you export it. So I will call it 2FM, DSP, platform, which is the Teensy, architecture, which is the Teensy. We do compile, and then we download it. And will be downloaded. When you have downloaded the CPP and the H file, basically you copy these two files in another folder where your Arduino project will be. So I already have done this. This is the sample example of the guide. I'm following the official guide. So basically, this is the same name. Once you do that, you create an Arduino file. And that Arduino file will need to import the H file of the compiled thing. Then basically you create an object with the same name, and you should use the uppercase letter here, so that if you go to the H file, you see that the object will be called with the uppercase letter, and you use that uppercase letter to create an object, and the object will be called the same but just with the lowercase. Once you do that, and I will make this code available, then you create an object for the audio shield, and then you route the FAUST object, both of them, to left and right channel of the audio out. Then you instantiate the memory for Teensy. More you put here, and more polyphony and memory will be created for this, I think. Then you enable the audio shield and you put the volume to this. And then this is the magic here. Basically what you do is you want to take the object and says set param value, and then we set the frequency, and of course it's the same frequency that we put here, and we put it to a random value, and then we just delay. Okay, flashes again. Okay. Okay, so you see, nothing fancy. Okay, bye.